I broke one basic car rule. It cost me thousands. If you're buying a car right now, do not ignore this. I made a car decision based on excitement, not numbers. I told myself it would be fine. I told myself I'd figure it out later. That mindset is expensive. So, here is the rule I broke. I focused on the price of the car, not the monthly cost to keep it on the road. Monthly cost is the real killer. Insurance, gas, maintenance, and interest. That's the stuff that drains you. For me, the biggest punches were insurance and gas. Even when you drive the car less, the bills still show up. Some months I had to pull money from savings just to stay afloat. That's when you realize it wasn't just a car decision, it was a life decision. People online don't talk about what you give up. You give up saving, you give up freedom, then you start making decisions based on the car. That's when a fun purchase becomes a weight on you. A car that stops you saving is a car you bought too early. So, how did I fix and manage this mistake? This is the rule I go by now. If I can't afford it twice, I can't afford it comfortably. And before I buy anything for the car, before I buy any mods, I check if my bills and savings wins first. If they don't, I wait. If you're about to buy a new car right now, run the monthly costs first. If you want, comment down the car you want to buy and your budget, and I'll tell you what I'll do in my position. This channel is about enjoying cars without ruining your future. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.